live from Minnesota with the JW Solar USA. In today's video, like I said on the previous video, I have some little unboxing I'm gonna be doing here for you guys, and let's go about it. And I'm gonna show you what's inside this box. But anyway, the box said hacking, hiking, Hiking. This is a product not that expensive. That's how I was gonna try. This is a wireless, Wi-Fi meter. So you can see that it's a DS238-2 Wi-Fi. Is a single phase wireless meter. You can see 120 all the way 230 volts at 65 amps, 50 to 60 hertz. So guys, this is what I have for you guys today. Is that you can utilize this on a DIN rail. I got this meter for a project I'm gonna do. It's built-in timer on it, and I want to see how this thing works. And I might probably able to utilize it on my DIN rail package, and you have to stay tuned and see how I can go about this and test this guy and put it to work so all of you guys can see. But before doing so, I want to put it into this to the enclosure that I've been showing. If you go back and look at some of my enclosure boxes on DIN rail, you will see exactly what I'm talking about here, guys. So this is the deal. So you can see the Wi-Fi sign right here. Okay, sorry, almost knocked the camera. You see the Wi-Fi sign right there. So you connect the the power coming in the meter here. Okay, and down here is gonna be on the load. Okay, so you go about it. See that? The L1, L2, then L3, L4, they're all neutral. The L2 is said is live. So this one here, live. L1 is live. Okay. And L3, L4. So L2 is live, so you can see neutral and live. So guys, this is what it is, and you press and hold this button right here. You see the Wi-Fi is gonna start blinking, and you have an app. It's a Tuya single phase, Tuya single phase smart wireless meter. So I hope this thing trying to make sense to you guys, and it has a kind of protective thing here to protect the screws after you already tighten them up, closes, and you can put this on a DIN rail. I keep being off camera for some reason. And DIN rail. So you push this thing down, DIN rails that you can use for your breakers. So you can see that 65 amps. So 120 volt here, 120 volt times 65. So it's approximately 7150. So 7,150 watts this one can handle. So I want to try this and install it. I don't want to put in my expensive machines, but I would love to try it. And this one connected into Wi-Fi. If you have like a Wi-Fi at home, and you can download the app on your phone, and you can take this one, you can go somewhere, it can be at work, it can be somewhere off the house, and you will see exactly the power consumption that is happening in your house. And it's a meter made by, I think it's Hiking, Hiking, by Tom's, Tomzn, Tom's. I believe it's a Chinese device. So I got it online and I want to try it and let you guys know. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I'm going to try to install this, but I want to do that on my other inverter, not in my house, because I want to make sure that everything is working. It's not going to cause any problem when I'm not home. So some of this stuff, they're really interesting to try, and you want to have a peace of mind sleeping, and you don't have to, be up, or you go woke up with something, or surprisingly something that you don't want to happen or want to see in your house. All right, let me go take you to the place and see what I'm talking about. All right, bringing you to my command center with the JW Solar USA right here. I'm thinking about having this guy here. See, if I try to go this way, I think it will fit, but it's not designed for boxes like this. I'm trying to see just these plates here, or these guys here. You see, these are DC breakers. So I want to see if this one can fit in here. So for my inverter, so I can see what's coming out, and from the inverter, and what is probably, if I charge, what is charging. You can show. Well, I can have a wireless or Wi-Fi. Then this one, if I want to get the Magnum, which is this, if the Magnum, I want to get the MagWeb, it costs over $300 for something like. I'm not trying to be cheap or something. It's just an experiment. I might use it, I might not use it. I'm just doing a demonstration here. And whosoever the manufacturer is, if you find this video helpful or it goes viral, and hey, I just made advertisement for you. So I'm gonna find a box that is designed for this guy to fit, but it's not gonna fit on this. You see how these breakers are bigger? So it looks like those are Chinese, maybe breaker box or something that's gonna work with this. So I'm gonna put it independently somewhere, maybe around here or around some corner, and see the power that is coming out from the inverter. Then I can turn the app on my phone to see exactly what it is. Stay tuned. I might use it on my 12-volt system, or maybe test it, and I can maybe give it away, who knows, so that someone can utilize it on the system that is not going to be pulling much power. But for 65 amps and 120 volts, that's about 7,150 watt is gonna handle. So you can see it's kind of beefy. You can see the terminals, and it's utilized with a timer. I think you can install a relay here, and I'm not 200% sure how everything works with this guy here, because I have to put it to test, and which I'm going to be doing on the weekend. I'll try to head to the cities inside to my favorite store, and trying to get the box for this, where you guys have seen I've got boxes for stuff like this before. So I'll bring it to your attention when I got the box, because the other ones I had, I shipped them, and these are the specs here from the manual, and see the Wi-Fi configuration, and this is how it's gonna look like. If you're wondering, that's the name right there. Okay, they put it right there. Okay, this is what it is. I want you to see it. This is what it is. Okay, and maybe that will be on my thumbnail or screen to show you exactly what you're looking for. If you're interested into this, you can look it up, or get one. But I'm not going to recommend it till I test it. So this is how it's going to look like here with your smart device or cell phone or whatever. And you can go about it and program everything, especially like for the pips. I know the pips got some kind of the meters are not accurate, like those LV little ones, and I'm thinking about putting something like this, or putting something like this on your the limiters, grid tie inverter limiters, so you can able to access it and see exactly what is going on and whatever. Okay, so guys, this is what it is, and I'm gonna give you updates back on the weekend. Today is Friday, so Saturday I'm trying to get back to the cities and see if I can find a box for this that fit exactly on that DIN rail, and we can go from there. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Live from the channel, JW Solar USA. Like and subscribe.